Most people get this wrong. They think Splitsa is just another quick cash or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that Splitsa combines early wage access, flexible installment payments, and financial tracking tools in one easy-to-use platform. When used responsibly, it can help you manage short-term cash needs without falling into high-interest debt. Here's how Splitsa works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller installments over a few weeks. Splitsa charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or installment rather than traditional interest, which makes budgeting simpler and more predictable. Splitsa also provides dashboards, reminders, and notifications to help you manage your spending and stay on top of upcoming payments. These features reduce the risk of late fees and encourage more responsible financial habits. The downside, overusing Splitsa can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up, and relying too heavily on the app can mask deeper financial issues instead of addressing them. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only access funds you can repay on time. 2. Set up repayment reminders. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence. Who should use Splitsa? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, Splitsa could end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, Splitsa in 2026 is a useful financial tool, but only if used wisely. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and practical tips to stay in control of your money.